Have you ever wondered what the most powerful place on Earth looks like? It's not a city, it's not a mountain, and it's not even the ocean. It's the Amazon rainforest. Covering more than 2.3 million square miles across 9 countries in South America, the Amazon is the largest tropical rainforest on the planet. It's so enormous that if you placed it over the United States, it would stretch from coast to coast. Even today, scientists believe there are areas so remote that no human has ever explored them. Every year, researchers discover hundreds of new species hidden beneath the rainforest canopy. Strange insects, colorful frogs, unusual fish, mysterious plants, and even new mammals continue to be found. The Amazon truly remains one of the last unexplored places on Earth. The rainforest is home to nearly 390 billion individual trees, representing more than 16,000 different species. Together, these trees create one of the most important ecosystems on the planet. As sunlight warms the forest, billions of leaves release moisture into the atmosphere through a process called transpiration. That moisture forms clouds, which eventually fall back as rain. In other words, the Amazon actually creates much of its own weather. Without this incredible cycle, much of South America would become far drier, affecting millions of people, countless animals, and entire ecosystems. But don't let the beauty fool you. Every square mile of the Amazon is a constant battle for survival. Jaguars silently stalk their prey through the dense jungle. They are the ultimate masters of the silent hunt. Harpy eagles, some of the most powerful birds of prey on Earth, soar above the treetops searching for monkeys and sloths. Poison dart frogs, no bigger than your thumb, carry toxins that can stop predators in their tracks. Even the trees compete with one another, racing towards sunlight while thick vines slowly climb their trunks in search of the forest canopy. Flowing through the middle of this incredible ecosystem is the Amazon River, the largest river in the world by volume. Every second, it releases around 220,000 cubic meters of water into the Atlantic Ocean. That's enough to fill dozens of Olympic-sized swimming pools every single second. The river itself supports thousands of species, many of which exist nowhere else on Earth. One of its most famous residents is the piranha. Movies often portray piranhas as relentless killers, but the truth is far less dramatic. Most piranhas are cautious and usually avoid humans. They generally attack only when food is scarce or when they feel threatened. Far more impressive is the green anaconda, the heaviest snake on Earth. These giant snakes can exceed 30 feet in length and weigh more than 500 pounds. Instead of chasing prey, they remain perfectly still beneath the water, waiting patiently until an unsuspecting animal comes close enough to strike. Within seconds, they wrap their powerful bodies around their prey before swallowing it whole. The Amazon is also home to the electric eel. Despite its name, it isn't actually an eel. It's a type of knife fish capable of producing electric shocks of up to 860 volts. That's enough electricity to stun large animals and defend itself from predators. Not every creature in the river is dangerous, though. One of the Amazon's most fascinating animals is the pink river dolphin. Unlike ocean dolphins, these intelligent mammals swim through flooded forests, weaving effortlessly between submerged trees in search of fish. As they grow older, many develop their famous pink color, making them one of the world's most unique freshwater mammals. Scientists have also discovered something incredible beneath the rainforest itself. Deep below the Amazon lies the Hamza River, an enormous underground flow of water stretching for thousands of miles, moving extremely slowly through porous rock. Its discovery shows just how many mysteries this rainforest still holds. The Amazon contains around 10% of all known species on Earth. 1 out of every 10 animals and plants scientists have identified can be found here. Yet researchers believe millions of species remain undiscovered. Perhaps even more remarkable are the people who call the Amazon home. Hundreds of indigenous communities have lived here for thousands of years, passing down survival knowledge through generations. Some tribes have chosen to remain completely isolated from the modern world. Avoiding all outside contact, they live much as their ancestors did centuries ago, relying entirely on the forest. The rainforest is also full of extraordinary plants. Scientists estimate that tens of thousands of plant species grow here. Many have medicinal properties. In fact, numerous modern medicines have been developed from compounds first discovered here. Researchers believe many more life-saving medicines could still be waiting to be found. Despite its incredible importance, the Amazon faces serious threats: illegal logging, mining, farming, and wildfires. When forests are destroyed, countless animals lose their homes, and indigenous communities lose part of their heritage. The planet loses one of its greatest natural defenses against climate change. The Amazon stores enormous amounts of carbon. The Amazon isn't just important for South America. It helps regulate weather patterns across the globe. Protecting it means protecting one of Earth's greatest natural treasures. The Amazon rainforest is more than just a forest. It's a living, breathing world filled with mysteries, from giant snakes and pink dolphins to towering trees and hidden underground rivers. Every part of this incredible ecosystem reminds us just how amazing our planet really is. Even after centuries of exploration, the Amazon continues to prove that some of Earth's greatest secrets are still waiting to be discovered.